Hi Fish Class, how are you? Well, we have a wonderful book this week. It's called Under the Sea. We're going to take a look at some of the interesting animals that our great God has made that we don't normally get to see because they're under the sea. They're in the water. So follow along, get a blanket, get on your sofa, get cozy, and let's look at some of these great creatures. Remember, our theme is wild, wonderful animals. Under the Sea by Cynthia Rothman. What might you see under the sea? Animals that walk. Crab, lobster. Animals that glide. Green sea turtle. Animals with colors that help them to hide. Long-nosed hawkfish. Kind of blends in with everything behind it. It's camouflaged. Brightly colored animals. The fairy basslet. The butterfly fish. Isn't that beautiful? Animals that glow. Cardinal tetras. Animals so odd. Look at that arrow crabs. There's their eyes. Puffer fish and sea anemones. That is an animal. Can you believe that? God is certainly creative. Or some that you may know. A seahorse. I showed you one earlier this week. Isn't that precious? So beautiful. Can you find the seahorse, the sea star, and the snail in this photo? Well, here's the red sea star. These are echinoderms. That means they have spiny skin. Here's a ring-top snail. Look at that. Can you find the manatees? These are called the sea cows of the ocean. The bottlenose dolphin. The dolphin, the whale. And here's the beluga whale. It's hard to believe, but these are actually mammals. Travel icy waters. And we see some icebergs out here. Those are not animals. And to warm seas too, coral sand beaches. But remember we talked about coral is an animal. Discover sea creatures amazing but true. Here is a trunkfish. Look at that. All right. Well, this was a quick little read about some amazing animals that God has created that live under the sea. This week for our Zoom, if you want to try to locate some fun animals, if you have an interesting stuffed animal, or if you have a pet, or if you have a picture of an animal that you like, or you want to draw a picture, bring it to our Zoom time. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.